Who can buy tax liens? Well, the answer is almost anyone. There are a few exceptions. There's no credit check, so that's good. Which makes it really easier than getting a cell phone or a new apartment lease. You do have to have a social security number as an individual or an employer identification number as a business. Another major concern for counties is that you cannot owe any taxes where you are investing. So if you go to a particular county or municipality and you live in that county and you're delinquent on your taxes, you will not be able to invest. But for most investors, that's not going to happen. You must be prepared to pay by cash, cashier's check, wire transfer, or bank letter. So you have to do a little preparation ahead of time. In a few cases, credit cards are accepted with a fairly hefty fee usually. Financing is not typically available. In a few rare cases, I have seen financing. Anchorage, Alaska used to allow it. I don't think they do that anymore. But you must have cash, cashier's check, or be able to wire funds. And of course, if you're using an online system, you'll have all that set up ahead of time. Another question I hear quite often is, will I get ownership of the property? Well, the answer is maybe, and here's why. If the owner fails to pay his or her taxes during the period of time required, which is the redemption period, you can foreclose and take ownership of the property. Otherwise, if the owner pays off the taxes, interests, and fees, you'll get your money back plus interest. It's that simple. So here's a challenging part. When do you get paid? When can you plan to know that you're going to be paid? Well, that's the strange part of tax lien investing. You won't know when you're going to be paid. I'm sorry that there's this tiny downside of tax lien investing, but you won't know when you're going to be paid because you don't know, you're not able to look inside an owner's head and know when they're going to pay off the taxes. It could be 1 month, 6 months, or 2 years, right before the end of the redemption period when they face the possibility of losing their property. And of course, this depends on state law, so you have to know the details of each state and its redemption period so that you can start to plan ahead. There's quite a bit more explanation about redemption periods and how to plan ahead in my book, or I'm happy to explain it to you by email if you would like to send me any questions.